What is up, guys? Today we have a review and brief unboxing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2024, and in this video I would like to unbox it. I already actually unboxed it, but just make it unboxing one more time and just brief review of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In the next video I will make a full review. In case you leave your comment below, put a thumbs up, and then I will make a second video. For now it's just brief unboxing. So let's see the box. It's iPhone style box, actually very thin. As you see here, it's like two hands box, and that's how it looks like, really tiny. And Samsung saying, of course, is because of ecology standards, but companies try to save money, so they just keep boxes like this. Alright, so on the back side we have just some information from Samsung company. Here was the stickers which already put off, and let's open it up. So my phone is from Malaysian market, and let's see how it looks like. So here we have the Samsung itself, and let's see what else in the box we have. So box is quite small and almost empty, but anyway, let's check it out. Okay, we have some instructions here. Do we have a pin? I don't know. Yeah, we have a pin from Samsung. It's any brand on it? Let's see. No, it's just non-brand pin. At least they can put their logo on it or write Samsung, but they didn't do it. Okay, pin. We have some empty stuff here. Papers, less and less. Regional lock guide. So basically this product should be activated with a SIM card issued from mobile operator with Southeast Asia, but actually I'm not in Southeast Asia. There is a list of countries like Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, but still it works pretty well in other regions as well. So warranty card, very small. Then we've got package content, how to insert the SIM card. So this version is with two SIM cards plus one eSIM. Basically it's very convenient, so you can have two physical and any amount of eSIM card. What we have is device, USB cable, ejection pin, quick start guide. So quick start guide we review. Device itself, cable, just regular cable, nothing written on it, even though just fabric on Vietnam, made in Vietnam, model name, even again no Samsung. What here we can see, it's the model WA21C Vietnam. That's it. Actually we don't have any more anything here. 1 meter cable, type C, very regular, very basic one. And the phone itself, so this box empty. I have 256 gigabyte and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Also the version available with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I've got this one. I think it's more it's better to take it with more RAM memory. Okay, that's how the phone looks like. 5 cameras. We have main camera, also ultra wide camera, zoom lens, 10x zoom lens, and we have 3x zoom lens. Also this thing, actually I think it's for focusing, like optical focus or laser focus, how they call it, and flashlight from the back, written Samsung, of my phone here, I guess. From right side we have volume control buttons and the power off, power on button. Also it's all protected. This phone made without the newest titanium as all the phones made, but still looks good. From down we've got Type-C cable. We have the slot for SIM cards, 2 SIM cards as I mentioned, also version with 2 SIM cards without eSIM available, also 1 SIM plus eSIM available. I guess microphone somewhere here, out of these 2 holes, maybe 2 holes even microphones. Okay, also the speaker, S-Pen here. It's also nice to have it. You have 1 button here and just stylus as regular in Samsung, which came here from Samsung Notes. Now Samsung Note version is not available, so just Galaxy S version is with this stylus going on. From left side, nothing actually, only some antennas here from left and right, and from right as well. From left bottom, no antenna available. From the top, we've got one more speaker here, and also 5G antenna. I don't know, it's fourth one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 antennas available here. From a back made of glass, it's like Corning glass, Victus 2, I guess. Maybe 1 and 2 on the front screen. Camera here, you can see it when your screen is locked, and also no cover by default, no protective film here. I already put mine by myself, but still, you know, it's good if they put it by default, so you need to buy it by yourself. Okay, let's turn it on. Press the power button and just briefly check what's inside, and full review I can give you more information about this phone. Again, in case you leave your comments and you really needed to have this sort of review of Galaxy S24 Ultra in 2024. So Samsung Galaxy, turn it on, quite fast, SIM card password, phone is starting. Alright, so here we are. Of course, it supported the latest Android version and latest. Now you see the model name actually is SMS918B DC. Also, in case at the end you've got 0, meaning that you have the Chinese version for Chinese market, which supports only 2 SIM cards without eSIM. Basically, that's the version with B at the end is the best one. And let's move on with the information regarding the software. So it installs the latest version of One UI, which is 6.1. Just got a brand new update, Google Play System update 1st of May, also brand new, and the latest version of Android. Samsung promised to support the Android version for 3 years, so already one of them I've got here, 14, so 15 will be, and 16 also will be available for this phone. And for One UI, I guess it will still be updated, but maybe for 2 more years. In the newest Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can get, or in general in Galaxy S24 version, you can get up to 7 UI updates, or 5 or 7 Android updates, which is quite nice to have. The base version also available here, you can see it, and actually that's the latest one. Let's move on with main specs here. So basically it has Galaxy S23 Ultra has Snapdragon Gen 2. It's not the latest one, now it's Gen 3 available, but here still the CPU speed is quite high, octa-core as well. The screen is 6.8 inches, a bit curved on the sides, but not that curved as on previous versions. And S24 Ultra, of course, is not curved anymore. Quad HD Plus resolution here, dynamic AMOLED X, so the screen is really good. In case you made the maximum brightness, still, I don't know whether you see it or not, but it's really bright. When I'm going outside in the sun, it has quite good brightness here. Refresh rate 120 Hz here. S Pen supports, of course. If you open it, S Pen will appear. S Pen menu, as you see, even there is a dot, so you don't need even to touch your screen. You can just touch your button here to do some actions. Also some gesture available as well. Rear camera optical image stabilization available. Optical zoom at 3x, 10x, and digital zoom up to 10x. Front camera 12 megapixel, aperture f2.2. Also, you have autofocus for front camera available, video recording up to 8K, front camera can record up to 4K, slow motion and 160 FPS, full HD here. For memory, the minimum is 256 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes of memory. Of RAM, I have 12, as I mentioned. Storage available 216, dual SIM card, that's what the band supported. Type-C, of course the Type-C USB 3.2, sorry, Gen 1 actually works quite well. All the location technologies available like GLONASS, Beidou, and others. GPS, of course. Wi-Fi, actually the latest version 7 is not supported, but version 6 supported quite well. MIMO supported, AX standard AC as well. Bluetooth 5.3, NFC supported, ultra wideband, Wi-Fi direct as well. From the sensors, you see accelerometer, barometer, fingerprint, geomagnetic, light sensor, proximity sensor, all of them are here. The weight 233 gram, which is actually in your hand quite fine with the such resolution of the screen and the such size of the screen of 6.8 inches. Battery 5000 mAh, non-removable, stereo supports of course, and DeX as well. So basically it's just a brief unboxing and just brief characteristics review. The phone works pretty fast, the camera is really nice with all this 100 up to 100x zoom available. Stabilization works perfectly, and in general I will cover more camera settings etc in the full review. As for now, unboxing, that's how it looks like, that's what you will get in a box, just cable basically and pin and some documents, and the box itself very tiny. In general, for unboxing itself, that's pretty much it. In case you want the full review, leave it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.